Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's reshaping the way we approach code review in the age of AI. Specifically, we're talking about Rootly's decision to ditch the small PR rule and embrace a new approach that's all about assessing blast radius and feature flags. It's a game changer, and I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, what's the small PR rule? Well, it's a long-standing practice in software development where developers are encouraged to keep their pull requests, PRs, small, typically limited to a few hundred lines of code. The idea is to make code reviews more manageable and efficient. But here's the twist: Rootly, a company that provides incident management platform solutions, has realized that this rule doesn't quite fit the bill anymore, especially with the rise of AI agents. Quentin Rousseau, Rootly's co-founder and CTO, explains that AI agents think in features, not just lines of code. They produce complete implementations, including migrations, models, services, and more, all in one go. This means that the traditional small PR rule, which was optimized for human writing speed, is now more of an overhead. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. The issue becomes apparent when you consider AI bugs. These bugs are context bugs, where the code might work technically but is applied to the wrong thing. For instance, a migration that drops a column still in use by a background job, or a service that writes to a table another team reads from. These bugs are hard to catch with the small PR rule, as they often require a broader understanding of the system's context. Rootly's solution? They've built an internal AI code reviewer that takes a different approach. Instead of trying to mimic human reviewers, it focuses on answering a single question per PR. If this change has a bug, what user-facing behavior breaks? It flags changes that alter the system's functionality versus those that affect performance or aesthetics, and assigns risk profiles accordingly. This shift in approach has led Rootly to prioritize feature flags and rollback capability over line counts. By using feature flags, they've moved the safety boundary from merge to rollout. Every significant feature now ships behind a flag, and once the PR is merged and the code is pushed to production, the flag is turned off. The real review happens during the progressive rollout, where the feature is enabled for the team, then a handful of customers, then 10%, and finally, everyone. This new approach is not just Rootly's, it's a trend in the industry. Michael Webster, in a presentation at QCon London 2026, discussed how massive AI-generated PRs create bottlenecks for human reviewers and introduce technical debt. Rewind, a backup and versioning provider, has also adopted Rootly's risk-based model for its AI code review tool, Diffvator. They found that a PR's risk has little to do with its line count and more to do with the review's findings. The industry is buzzing with the idea of pull requests at agent speed. At Native DevCon London, Patrick Debois, the godfather of DevOps, argued that PR-based workflows are an anti-pattern in enterprises once you're moving at agent speed. With measurable token costs, waste is now literally showing up in the bill, making it harder to justify the overhead of PR reviews. Rootly's philosophy has evolved to focus on predicting production incidents. They've introduced why and what sections in PRs, forcing authors to explain the motivation and scope of changes and their likely impact. For AI-authored PRs, the human who prompted the agent fills these sections, capturing context that AI might not have. In conclusion, Rootly's decision to drop the small PR rule was a necessary step to support the faster and more reliable software shipping they aim for. It's a testament to the evolving nature of software development, where AI is not just a tool but a fundamental shift in how we approach code review and software delivery. What do you think about this new approach to code review? Is it a sign of the times, or just a temporary trend? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.